What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to install Lucky Patcher on your phone, and then in installing Lucky Patcher will allow you to be able to hack different games, not all games, but some games. I'm going to warn you right now, though, that this will only work on Android devices, not iOS, like such as iPhones and iPads and stuff like that. So this will only work on Android devices. So what you're gonna want to do, the first step you're gonna want to do, I'm using an emulator right now instead of an iPhone because it's just easier to record. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to find your Chrome or any browser, like network browser on your phone. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to open that browser. Here, I'll show you. What you're going to want to do is type in the search bar. All you have to do is type in Lucky Patcher. And it should come up with this as your first one. It says Lucky Patcher version 8.6.0 download latest APK official website. Yours, if you're watching this in the future, yours does not have to say version 8.6.0. It can say something like version 8.62 or something, or version 9 or something like that. But what you're going to do is you're going to want to find the one that says official website. So this is it. Then you're going to click on the link. And it should basically be the layout of this, but it might change in the future. So yeah, this is what the website looks like. But once you get to the top, it'll like start off with this. You're gonna want to scroll down till you see this right here. Download Lucky Patcher, install it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this, and next you don't want to click on any of these ads or anything here. You're going to want to click on this green button right here. I'm going to click on that. I already downloaded this, so we're just going to click download anyway. So it should come up with this download thing right here. We're going to click OK because we're going to let it download anyway. So next what you're going to want to do is click open right here. You're going to want to click on open. Okay, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. Yes, we're going to click install because we want to install this. Okay, what we're going to do is open it and then allow this. Yes, you want to allow the installer to your files because it allows it to install Lucky Patcher. Okay, do you really want to install Lucky Patcher? We're going to click yes. Preparing installation. So it's going to install it. Mine shouldn't take very long. Okay, do you want to install this application? We're going to click install. This is just installing Lucky Patcher. We're going to click open. Okay, do you want to uninstall this app? Yes, we want to uninstall this because it'll just get rid of the installer. You don't need this, so I'm just going to click OK. Uninstall finished. So it just brought me back to Chrome, so we're just going to click X on Chrome, and we're going to go back to Lucky Patcher. So this is what like the requirements are for Lucky Patcher. We're just going to, like, it says optional permissions and the permissions that it needs. So what you're going to do is click provide. And it's going to say allow Lucky Patcher to your like media files and stuff like that. We're going to allow it, and Lucky Patcher allow access your device's location. I really don't know what this does. Besides, I really don't know what this does. So we're just going to click allow anyway. Google often does that. Okay, so you don't have to click yes, but you can if you want and go through like the dialogue and stuff like this. Basically, what this says is that Google usually defines Lucky Patcher as a virus, like your phone will usually do that, but it's not. It's just because it's open source programming and stuff that you have installed on your phone. Don't worry about it. It's totally fine. We're just gonna click no. Okay. Next, possibly this might come up, but we're just gonna. It says new version of Lucky Patcher's available. It's version 8.6.1. We're just gonna click update. Okay. Now we're gonna let this update. we're just gonna let this update and let this install. Okay, it's gonna ask if you want to install the Lucky Patcher update. We're gonna click install, and now it's updated, and it should launch back into it. This is the same thing about Google. We're just gonna click no. Lucky Patcher has been updated. Okay, cool. Okay, there you go, guys. That's how you install Lucky Patcher. So, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. And there is other videos on my channel currently on how to get to hack Offered Outlaws and get unlimited gold. So go check that out. It's gonna be up here in the top right corner. There'll be there's a link down in the description. So yeah, go check that video out, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.